Hello everyone, a big good morning to all the viewers. We are Fit Desis, a Stockholm-based community of sports, health and fitness enthusiasts. And today we are very glad to present before you a single wicket tennis ball cricket tournament. Let me introduce you to our players. We have Krishna from Bengaluru working at Hitachi, Yagnesh from Mumbai working at Nordia, Balram from Hyderabad working at Infosys, Firoz from Mumbai working at Capgemini, Kunal from Mumbai working at Infosys, Anil from Dehradun working at TCS, Naresh from Hyderabad working at Hitachi, Praveen from Hubli working at Ericsson, Subbu from Bengaluru working at Ericsson, Prashant from Udupi working at TCS, Shrikara from Bengaluru working at Karolinska, Rahul from Jabalpur working at Infosys, Bishwa from Bhubaneswar working at TCS, and myself Amit from Mumbai working at Ericsson. Let me explain you the rules. This is a single wicket cricket tournament, which means a player will be playing against another player. There will be 3 players each in Group A and Group B, while 4 players in Group C and Group D. First players will play qualifiers and then knockouts. 2 players from each group shall proceed to knockouts. In case of tie, player with better winning rate shall qualify to knockouts. For knockouts, an individual must bat and bowl for 2 full overs. 2 runs will be deducted from the score for every dismissal. Maximum 2 dismissals are allowed in an inning. Only boundaries and running between the wickets are allowed. No sixes, 1 run for wide and no ball. No ball followed by a free hit. Same rules for qualifiers, except that each inning will be an over each. Only 1 dismissal allowed in an inning. 7 common fielders, including the wicketkeeper, shall field in both the innings. In case of tie for qualifiers, there will be sharing of points. In case of tie for knockouts, there will be 1 super over. In case of any further tie, there will be bowling shootouts. In case of rain, play will be interrupted and resumed once the showers subside. There will be prizes for winners, runner-up, semi-finalist, best batsman and best bowler. We had online draws on Thursday, 17th June, and here is how we grouped the players. In Group A we have Kunal, Shrikara and Firoz. In Group B we have Praveen, Rahul and Bishwa. In Group C we have Naresh, Krishna, Subbu and Amit. And in Group D we have Anil, Prashant, Balram and Yagnesh.
Whoa, bowling! Oh.
Alright guys, so Kunal to call. It's heads. Kunal, you won the toss.
I'll go with bat.
Okay, chalo, good luck.
Oh, that's a good shot on the offside by Kunal, and he's running. He has to hurry up. There's a chance of a run out. Oh, and that's very close. Let's see the action replay. Oh, Kunal is out. Kunal to bowl. Oh, that's good running by Praveen.
Oh.
And 1 run to win. And that's it. Praveen is the winner. He qualifies to the semi-finals.
You will call. Heads, you want? Bowling. Okay.
Bishwa to bowl. That's lovely ball. A clean bowl. That's wonderful batting by Firoz. 3-4s in a row.
Come on guys, cheer up.
Firoz to bowl. What a good shot. That went racing to the boundary.
Come on, 1 ball, 4 to win.
So it's 1 ball to go and 4 runs to win. Let's see who wins.
Shot. Oh.
Then Firoz qualifies to the semi-final.
Krishna to call. It's tails. Anil won the toss. Okay, Krishna is batting.
Oh, that's good shot by Krishna. Good shot. Krishna has hit that on the leg side. It is up in the air and it's out. Oh, hard luck Krishna. So 1 run to win, and that's the winning run, and Anil qualifies to the semi-finals.
I want to bowl.
Amit trying to take a quick single. Is a chance of a run out. Oh, he's out.
Out.
Oh, there's chance of another run out. Oh, he's out by a miles, and Prashant qualifies to the semi-finals.
Semis, first semis. Firoz won the toss.
Ball.
Ball, okay. Chalo, good. Praveen to bat.
That's great shot on the leg side by Praveen. And that's very good shot by Firoz. He's coming back for a second run and it's fantastic running between the wickets by Firoz. Wonderful.
Wow.
Firoz is running for a quick single. He has to hurry, but it's direct hit. It's run out. Oh, Firoz has appealed. Let's see the action replay. It's out and Praveen goes to the final.
Tails, you won the toss. Bowling, okay. Come on, guys.
That's the second semi-final between Anil and Prashant, and while the match is on, we go over to Praveen.
So, guys, we have the first finalist, Praveen Joshi. So, Praveen, first of all, congratulations for entering into the finals. So, Praveen, what is your game plan for the final?
I think I would like to stick on initially and then maybe catch up some scores and see how it goes in the second over. And it would be good if we get like no wickets, and I will focus on most probably bowling first. Then I can chase.
All right, Praveen. So, thank you very much. Okay, and good luck for the finals.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's very good running between the wickets. And that's the winning run. Anil qualifies to the final.
All right, guys. So we have yet another finalist, Anil Joshi. So Anil, first of all, congratulations for reaching the final. Very well played. So Anil, you will be playing with Praveen. So what is your strategy for the final?
I haven't thought much about the strategy, but I have seen Praveen play, so I have some of the field placing for him. Let's see how it works out in the final.
Okay, yes, wonderful. So guys, stay tuned. We have a very exciting final coming up. It will be Praveen Joshi against Anil Joshi. Joshi against Joshi.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so I'm with these two lovely finalists, amazing players. So we have Praveen Joshi and Anil Joshi. So good luck Praveen.
Thank you.
And good luck Anil for the final.
Thanks a lot.
Good luck,
Okay.
Anil. Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best.
So I'm tossing the coin and it's Anil to call.
Heads.
Anil calls heads. And it's heads, so Anil, you have won the toss.
Yeah, bowling.
Okay, Anil will bowl and Praveen will bat. Okay, very good.
All the best.
Lovely. Bowling, lovely.
Ball.
Anil needs 2 runs to win. That's a very good shot by Anil, and he's running in for the first run. He's coming back for the second run, and that's fantastic running. Anil has won the final. He's the champion.
Excellent. Winner. Well played, Anil. Very well played, okay, everyone. We really appreciate your spirit, your enthusiasm, your energy with full vigor and with full desire to win. You guys have participated. Thank you very much. So now we shall begin with the presentation ceremony, and I would like to call Subbu, who is the senior most among us, to do the honors. So Subbu, can you please come here? Yes, so he is the senior most. First of all, a big round of applause for Subbu for really participating into this. All right, guys. So first we start with the semi-finalist, and I would like to call the first semi-finalist Firoz to come and collect your medal.
I'll hang on to it.
So congratulations. So Firoz, some words from you. So how do you find Firoz? What was your experience about the whole tournament?
It was really nice Saturday morning adventure. I think we should do more often. And thanks for arranging it and giving us a chance. But it was really good, fun game.
Thank you, thank you. Yes. Semi-finalist Prashant. Subbu, can do the honors. So Prashant, yes, what was your experience about this tournament?
It was fantastic. I've been not playing for a long time now. I think we should do this more often.
Yes, that's great. Thank you. Thank you very much. So guys, excellent. Well done, Firoz.
Thanks again.
So Firoz, best batsman, how do you feel?
Sachin.
Orange cap.
I think this single cricket tournament is actually supposed to be batsman game, and mostly should do singles. But I think the most important is that if you hit proper couple of fours, then you are definitely going to win the match.
Okay, great. Thank you, Felix.
Good strategy.
So guys, we have a best bowler here, Anil and Subbu, if you'd like to do the honor. Thank you very much, Anil. So Anil, you got a nickname Gumrah. So can you just tell me about your bowling style and how do you feel about this
Not
moment?
actually, I was bowling after a quite long time, so I was not sure where to pitch. But somehow it came out good. So after 1 to 4, I was a bit confident.
Very nice. Well played. Well played. All right. Okay, so now I would like to call up the runner-up. A big round of applause to Praveen Joshi.
Thank you.
So Praveen, the runner-up for this wonderful tournament. So how do you feel, Praveen?
It's fantastic. Definitely, it wouldn't have been possible without the Fantastic 14 and the organizer. It's a lovely time to spend, and it was every player I enjoyed seeing them in their action. I think strategy was very good. I would say we will have to do this more often.
So Praveen, what went wrong on your part? What do you think that went wrong in the final?
I think two things. I had a preconceived notion he's a very good bowler. That was a weak moment, and I think I tried to score a couple of boundaries, which was one of the strategies, and due to the sixes, it was out, and that went wrong, and it gave an edge on the other side.
Okay, all right. And Praveen, you know that we are Fit Desis. We are a group of fitness, health and sports enthusiasts. So what message would you like to all the viewers who are watching us?
I think one critical thing, no matter whether you are a sports person or not, I recommend health is very important. Especially you have seen how it is with the pandemic. I saw many fluffy breeds. Maybe it's time that we should get our sneakers out and then start running.
Exactly, yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks, Praveen. Yeah, that was the runner-up, guys. Big round of applause.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
And now we have the winner, Anil Joshi. Excellent. कब देने के बाद उठा so just a quick interview, Anil.
Okay.
Anil, so Anil, first of all, congratulations. You are the winner. Okay.
Thanks.
So how do you feel about this moment? It was really great,
Yeah,
So,
actually, I came just fun, but so, like after one match, like it became competitive and it was like to give your best. So then, I played under pressure also. Like in one match, I was on the winning line, but I made some mistakes. But in the end, it became a competitive match, and I enjoyed.
Which game was the most pressure game for you in this tournament?
I think it was a third qualifier match, which I had to defend 2 runs. Somehow I defended. I thought maybe I will lose that match.
Okay, so that was the pressure match for you. Okay, great. And you know, Anil, that we are Fit Desis. So any message that you would like to give to the viewers?
Yeah, so like it would be good if we have a lot of activities like this, which will help people for the fitness, and simultaneously they can keep up with the game as well. So it would be
Okay.
good, yeah.
All right, Anil, stay here because now you will be getting, first of all, you have a swish or like that? No?
I have fish.
So we know that we have a cash prize also for the finalists. So it is 150 kronas. Okay, so I will swish in the money.
Party
Great.
time!
And also I would like Subbu to give the trophy to Anil. And guys, come lift him up. Yes. 3 cheers for Anil. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Hooray!
We
have the spectators too.
Ready, guys? Hooray!
The most important videographer.
The cameraman. Third umpire. Very good job, Naresh.
Picture. Sachin! Bolo bolo Bharat